festivala Bled potekajo tudi mojstrski tečaji, na katerih priznani glasbeniki svoje znanje predajajo mlajšim generacijam. Violinist Robert Schroeder z veseljem prihaja na Bled, kjer vsako leto pomaga mladim nadgraditi znanje.
I am now retiring professor in the conservatory. It's fantastic to share my experience with the young talents and to teach them. And one of this opportunity is to be here in Bled, which I am now for the 12th of 13th time. And I must say you that is one of my favorites, and maybe the most favorite place, because look around, you know, that's such amazing place to have music. And that's, of course, for the participants, it's very important to make beauty in the beauty, you know.
Vsak glasbenik se zanaša tudi na podporo svojih bližnjih. Zanimalo nas je, kdo je bil Robertu največjo oporo v njegovi karieri.
When I was child, it was my mama, who always practicing with me, and no child liked to practice, you know. And then I have in this basic music school a tremendous teacher who been like my father, second father. And then during music lyceum and conservatory, when I start also my career, also winning competitions, I had my teacher who was my really, how you call it, guest father, you know. And of course he helps me, he teach me, and not only to play violin, but also to be in life, to treat people, to treat all problems, to resolve also some problems. So I will be till end of my life very thankful to him. And then I met some people. Of course, I made career in my born country, which was Poland, and then starting again was very difficult to my now country, Netherlands, which I represent now. And of course that was practicing, meeting right people on the right time, and also my managers who helped me to make career till I finished my career after my heart attack. And that was finished my performing career, but before also I was teacher in the talent. But it's great now to be a trainer, you know.
Violinski mojster se zdaj posveča le še učenju. Svojo kariero na odru je zaključil zaradi več razlogov.
Some people ask me why you are not going back to the stage. And I always said I'm not very fan of the football, you know. But in Netherlands we had a tremendous football star, Johan Cruyff. I don't know if you are interested in football, you don't know. If you are interested in football, sure you will know him. And I always say, you know, the Cruyff, you can't put to Johan Cruyff to run 45 minutes after the ball. Of course not, but of course if you put him to the 11 meters, he has such experience, he'll make the goal. Of course, he will look there and he will make their goal. And that is exactly with me. I can't play now for 45 minutes recital or something, but it's fantastic to make career as a teacher and continue this career.
Gospoda Schroederja smo povprašali tudi o razlikah med glasbeno in učiteljsko kariero.
Still it's my job, and even more responsible job, because when I played myself, you know, I was responsible only for me, but now I'm responsible for young talents. And believe me, I am more nervous when my students play than even when I played, you know. So that's what the music means. I think that is the last place when we can be really human beings.
Vsak umetnik ima trenutke, ki so mu pri ustvarjanju najbolj všeč. Violinist je z nami delil eno od svojih odrskih izkušenj.
When you enjoy music and I must say in my career as soloist, when I played, of course, the virtuoso passages, that was exploding of this enthusiasm, it was okay. But the most important was for me when I finished very still, very piano. And it was one moment that you really feel and you hear that we've been together.
Mojstri prek tečajev na učence prenašajo svoje znanje in tudi svojo ljubezen do glasbe. Mladi glasbeniki se po koncu tečajev tudi predstavijo na mojstrskih koncertih v Grand Hotelu Toplice.